Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Jaguar XF. Today we're going to be changing the engine oil and the oil filter, so without wasting any time, let's get started. The things we're going to be needing today is a car jack, a ratchet with a 13mm socket, a funnel, Mobil 1 5W20, an oil filter, and also an oil filter wrench. I have my car jacked up and safely on some dead jacks, and underneath your car you might not have these pans, or you might have them. If you don't have these pans underneath your car, then you have quick and easy access to the oil drain plug. But if you do, just like in my case, I had to remove these, and they're held on by some bolts and screws all around the four corners. And the oil drain plug is held on with a 13mm bolt. I'm going to remove that. And make sure you have a bucket underneath. There's going to be a lot of oil coming out. And now until the oil is draining, I'm going to go on top of the engine and remove our old oil filter. So here's my old oil filter. I'm going to first remove the old O-ring. There's only one on this one. Once it's off, I'm going to install the new O-ring. And a tip before installing, lubricate it a little bit. You could grab the old oil, anything, just give it a little bit of lubrication before installing. And once that's on, the filter, we're going to pull it straight out. No wiggling, no nothing, just pull it straight out. And push the filter right into place. It's going to lock in, and now it's time to reinstall the filter. And now I'm going to torque down our drain plug. Lower the car and add the oil. And as far as oil capacity, please check out your manuals on how much your car calls for. Every year and model calls for a different amount of oil, so please check your manuals to make sure you put the right amount into your car. And then afterwards, you could check your oil level right on your dash. Mine says oil level okay. My car is ready to go. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys did, please give it a like and share. And if you guys want to see any more videos on my Jaguar XF, please subscribe and follow my playlist. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.